class we are going to start our unit 2. Unit 2 starts with marketing strategy. What do you mean strategy? Tactics, right? Marketing strategy means what all the techniques the marketers are going to follow to get more profit out of their products. That is marketing strategy, right? There are so many strategies we can use to market your product. It can be the pricing strategies or product change strategy or positioning strategy. What are the strategies, right? So what strategies? Who is talking that? What strategies the marketers are using to sell their product or to get more profit, right? The first thing is, first type, what do you mean by marketing strategy? According to marketing strategy is basically a company's competitive posture in the marketplace requires integration of all dimensions of the marketing efforts. Right? Now coming to the elements of marketing strategy. Marketing strategy means what technique I am going to use to get my profit, right? So here elements of marketing strategy means the first element is real customer. Real customer is, what is that real customer? That means if you are going to sell the product to the market, means you cannot sell the product for the entire population. I am going to sell my product in Chennai city means Chennai city எல்லாருமே என்னுடைய target customers are. Is that possible for me to sell my product to all the population, to the entire population? Is that possible? Why? Can you tell me a product which gives to the entire population for all without any differentiation? Monopoly product mari you can think of. They are selling a product, only single product that particular manufacturer is having, and he is selling that particular product for the entire population without making any changes in it. Usually when you are selling a product, say for example when you are selling a mobile phone, there are so many variations will be there, right? As per the target customer. If you are selling a shoes, size variation, color variation, then design variation, texture variation, so many variations will be there as per the demographic variations, right? So suppose if you are selling a product, single product he is manufacturing and he is selling that particular product for all the population. Is that possible? Yes. Tirupati Laddu for everyone, it's of same size, same quality, variety, right? But is that possible for all the products? Means it's not being possible, right? So first we have to find out who is my customer, who is my real customer. If I am going to sell a product to my customers, means to whom I am going to sell my product, that I have to think of, right? First, after determining your real customer, this product only I am going to manufacture and they are my customer. It might be the senior citizen or it might be the female, it might be the male, or in that male I am going to sell a product only to the 15 to 18 age group, like that, right? Or I am going to sell a product only to the software industry people, or I am going to sell a product only to the laborers, lower income people. Like that I have to select my population, right? That is the first one. Second one is after selecting the population, I have to think about the marketing goal. Each company will be having different marketing goals. Any example for that? A particular company they may have a marketing goal as creating new customers. I should have more customers. Some other company they may have a goal that I don't want any new customer. I just wanted to retain my existing customers. That's enough for me because they are giving me enough profit, so I can retain my existing customers with a new product. But I don't want to create a new customers. You may think like that, right? Or some other company they may have a plan that I just wanted to get immediate profit. I am not at all thinking about the long-standing profit, so I need only immediate profit. So that particular company they will be concentrating only on promoting the product, right? By giving more offers, discounts and all, they just wanted to get immediate profit, right? Some other company I just wanted to, I am not at all thinking about the profit, but I need more customers. I just wanted to have a company's reputation. I just wanted to build my company's image. That means we will be thinking only about the customer satisfaction, or we will be thinking about delighting the customers rather than thinking about getting the profit, right? So first you have to determine what is your marketing goal. What is the goal I am having? If I am thinking about getting profit, that is my goal, means I will be thinking only about giving offers. Suppose I just wanted to satisfy my customers, that is the only target only goal I am having. That means I will be thinking about giving quality product, right? Or I just wanted to get a good company image. That means I will be thinking about quality, I will be thinking about profit, distribution, everything, that full package I will be thinking of, right? So what is the marketing goal I am going to concentrate on? That you have to think of. That is the second one. Third one is differentiating factors. That you can call it as USP. USP na nama. What do you mean by USP? Unique selling proportion. Healthy, come write it down. USP means unique selling proportion. This unique selling proportion only differentiating one company from others or one brand from other brands. This is my uniqueness. This uniqueness only differentiating myself from others, or this uniqueness only differentiating myself from other brands, right? Suppose we talk about positioning, am I right? What do you mean by positioning? I asked you Maggie means what? 2 minutes. You will be thinking about 2 minutes, right? If you are thinking about Margot, so get me your green apple. Margot means green. Okay, Hammam. Lyric. Lux. Johnson and Johnson. Xavier, beautiful baby. So for each brand they are positioning themselves like this. When I am thinking about Johnson and Johnson, I am remembering only about that beautiful baby. When I am thinking about Boost means I will be thinking only about energy. Boost is giving energy. That is their selling proportion, right? That is my uniqueness. I am differentiating myself from others with this particular unique proportion, right? This is my uniqueness. When I am thinking about that particular brand means I am thinking about that slogan or the advertising or the images, whatever the thing is. If you are thinking about Kama means usually I think about green color, right? There are so many soaps which is coming in green color, but whenever I am thinking about Kama, that green color only coming in my mind, right? That is unique selling proportion. Sometimes the same company we have different brands. Say for example, take Cadbury. What are the brands they are giving? 5-star, Dairy Milk, Kit Kat, James, Kit Kat Perth they are giving, right? Perth, Eclairs, okay, just tell me. Dairy Milk they are having 5-star, same company and they are giving the same product. Chocolate is a product, right? Chocolate ஒரே company, ஒரே product, but they are giving different brands. Just think about 5-star is same as Dairy Milk. Completely different. 5-star is completely different from Dairy Milk. Perk is completely different from 5-star. Gems is completely different from other brands. Just think about that unique selling proposition. For each brand, they are having different USPs. Right? That is USP. How we are differentiating ourselves from others. That is USP. This is the fourth point. Right? Fifth one is clear target. You should be very clear about your target. Right? This is my target customer. Johnson & Johnson. Just think about Johnson & Johnson. Baby. Is it only baby now? No. Nowadays, sensitive skin people, everyone will come under target customers. Not only baby, but also sensitive. When I am thinking about sensitive skin, I am remembering about Sensodyne. Who is the target customers? Sensodyne paste. I am talking about Sensodyne paste. Yaar now target customers? The people who are having a decayed teeth. Right? The people who are having a damaged teeth or sensitive teeth people are they are our target customers, right? So I have to think about who is my customer. I should be very clear about my target customer. Only then I can frame the unique selling proposition to suit my target customers. This is my target customer. Higher income people, the target customer means I have to think about the unique selling proposition to suit that particular target customers, right? That is the first one. Last one is strong message. I have to create a very clear, strong message to the people, right? As we discussed, Maggie, strong message, 2 minutes. I am giving a product for time-restricted young customers. Not only young customers, time-restricted customers. They doesn't have any time, right? So they need some product which gives them some satisfaction, some taste with minimum time. That is very clear about the message, right? Johnson & Johnson, very clear about that. Boost, clear, right? I am giving you energy. It's for the sports people. Very clear about that message. Compton, what is that strong message? If you are having it, I'll making you top. Right? Strong message. They are not. Okay, ma'am. These are the elements of marketing strategy. Right? So you have words. Pass it. Only 2 minutes time. With examples, right? Our next topic is formulation of marketing strategy. Write it down. Formulation of marketing strategy. segmenting the market. That means grouping the population. Right? We are having in if I am going to segment our class, நம்ம class வந்து group பண்றோம் அப்படினா what are all the ways through which I can segment the population? Boys, girls, gender based segmentation. So for boys I am giving you a separate product, for girls separate product. Just think about integer. For girls they are giving a pink color, for boys they are thinking that blue color will attract the people, right? So segmentation, to whom I am going to give my product, right? Okay, gender based segment பண்ணிட்டேன். அடுத்து, in what basis I can segment the market? Your class is my population. Yes, only gender based segmentation is possible. Roll number based first 10 Madhuriya. Is it the right segmentation? For marketing a product, roll number is it the right segmentation? நீங்க BRM ல படிப்பீங்க random sampling அப்படினு. அது right segmentation. It's not a right segmentation for marketing. Right? சம்மதம். Suppose if I am going to sell a என்ன வாங்கிக்கலாம்? So will a shirt or shoes, right? ஒரு shoe விற்கிறேன். நீங்க தான் பாப்புலேஷன். ஒரே ஒரு டிசைன் ஒரு ஷூ எடுத்துட்டு வந்தா வாங்கிடுவியா? பாய்ஸ்க்கு தனியா கொடுக்கணும், கேர்ள்ஸ்க்கு தனியா கொடுக்கணும். ரெண்டு ப்ராடக்ட் ஆச்சு. எல்லாம் ஒரே கலர், ஒரே டெக்ஸ்சர் எல்லாமே வாங்கிடுவியா? Some people they will be having a habit of using shoes, right? Full of cover ஆயிடும். Some people they will be having a sensitive skin. I will be using only real leather shoes. Leather மட்டும் தான் எக்ஸூட் ஆகும். அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Some people's size of your legs is varying, right? Height ஆடால கூட பிரிக்கலாம். Sensitive skin, normal skin னு பிரிக்கலாம், right? And the people who are using a fashionable shoes, those who are using a normal bag, right? The people who will be using நம்ம பிரேமி சொல்வாங்க எப்போதுமே 2000 ரூபாய் 3000 ரூபாய்க்கு கம்மியான ஷூஸே வாங்குறது. ஏன் அந்த அளவுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் தருது. Higher income customers, middle income customers, lower income customers. Same population. எப்படி என்ன, right? So first thing is while formulating the marketing strategy, I have to group my population, right? Divide the population into groups. It might be the gender based division. Male, female ல divide பண்ணலாம். Income group ல divide பண்ணலாம். Taste varies ல divide பண்ணலாம். Color design ல divide பண்ணலாம். Taste ல divide பண்ணலாம், right? What are the way I'll be grouping the population. தனித்தனியா group பண்ணிருக்கேன். After grouping the population, I have to think about to whom I am going to give a product. 60 பேர் தான் இருக்கீங்க. But 60 product can I, is it possible for me to give 60 products for each customer? No. So I have to think about the customers who are in larger size, the customers who are giving me more profit, right? The customers who can buy my product, who is having more purchasing power, like that I will be thinking about. And I will be choosing only one customer. It may be the female or it may be the male. Female the strength is just female choose பண்ணடா. Is it possible for me to give a product to entire female group? No. யாரும் வாங்க மாட்டாங்க. நான் கொடுத்தறேன். So யார் வாங்குவாங்களோ, யார் நிறைய பேர் அந்த பாப்புலேஷன்ல இருக்காங்களோ அவங்க மட்டும் தான், right? So I have to choose the target customers. Group பண்ணிடுறேன். Group கருந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு group மட்டும் I am choosing only my one group as my target customer. To that particular group I am going to do the marketing research to that group, and I am going to ask them the need of that particular group, what product will suit them அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அந்த target customers போய் கேக்குறேன். What is your need? What is your want? What pricing is suitable to you? What is the color you are choosing? Right? Everything I will be asking, and I will be positioning my product only to that particular target group. And after that, I will be deciding about marketing mix. What do you mean by marketing mix? 4 things. Place, promotion, product, price, place, promotion. In the order master, right? When you are thinking about marketing mix means product, price, place, promotion. So first I will be thinking about what product I am going to give to that particular customer. ஒரு 5 பேர் தான் என்னோட டார்கெட் கஸ்டமர்ஸ். To that particular 5 people, what product I am going to give, what pricing I am going to use, what type of distribution I have to give to them, right? What promotion is that? If they are asking for some offers, discounts, what type of discounts I am going to give them? Everything I can decide, right? So with this marketing strategy formulation, right? 2 minutes time to write in your own words. Segmentation means put a small dash and write grouping. Even you can write that grouping with an example. Say for example, you can take Titan watches. Watch at Titan watches at how they are segmenting. That you will think about. Right. Harish fine. Segmentation with the example you write it down. Then target customer. Positioning means USP, unique selling proposition. Marketing mix is also talk about product price.